daylight, from the daylight, running from the daylight, from the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
Yo, what's up guys? Quick check lang tayo ngayon. Check natin yung water heater na ipinakabit natin. Ito na siya guys. Drum roll, all goods naman, init sakto, pressure okay. Pwede na sa relax after long day vibes. At alam mo ba, hindi lang tutungkol sa water heater. This is about progress. Ikaw, kung pangarap mo magkaroon ng maayos na sariling matirahan para sa family mo or gusto mo ng extra income like rental business. Dito lang yan sa along Ortigas Avenue Extension, Deca Homes. Hindi to flex ha, share lang. Kasi kung ako nagawa, kaya mo rin. And the best part, pwede kita tulungan i-connect sa tamang tao na nag-assist sa amin. Legit, tested, at maayos kausap. From idea to planos to action. Nag-manifest into reality na. Kaya kung ready ka na, comment ka lang or message me. Simulan na natin yung kwento mo. See you sa next vlog.